And as while there are many people who are relying on the Chinese technology, Chinese electric vehicle components, but we have developed our own EV technology and the EV components. I think our ELBNT, my company's green mobility technology, is ahead than other competitors. The automotive industry in the last several decades have been developed in very good way, really in good way in many ways. But except one, our headquarters in Seoul, Korea, we are using all the electricity power generated from green energies. Actually, I have my own strategy to approach the green mobility is that actually as a turnkey system, I call it. Turnkey system consists of 4 major factors.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the new episode of Podcastive. In this episode, we have Dr. John Yong Il Kim, the founder of ELBNT, with us. In this episode, we are going to talk about his vision towards manufacturing his electric vehicles in India. If you are someone who is enthusiastic about the automotive industry and who are eager to know about electric vehicles in India, this episode is for you. So let's get started. Hello, Mr. John. Thank you so much for coming to our podcast. How are you today?
Thank you. I'm good and I'm very happy and pleased to be here today.
That's amazing. So, as you are onto your India trip, so how is it going?
Very well, and we have achieved, certain success, with our
Absolutely.
partner here in India. Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of partnership you are here for?
We are looking for the partnership here in India to set up our electric vehicle business together with our battery system, which we got our own system here in India.
So, did you find that?
Absolutely, yes. We
Okay, if
have
you would
found.
like to name that.
Oh yes, my partner here is a Green Genome
Green
company.
Genome.
Yeah,
All right.
and Mr. Sima is
Mhm.
the CEO of this Green Genome, and we think that we have found the right partner and the most potential partner here in India.
That's amazing. Wish you all a very luck about your expansion into India.
Yeah, sure,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So you have been into automotive industry since long, right? More than 42 years now.
Yes.
So, like, what do you think about the automotive industry as of now, like in this particular scenario?
Yes. I think the automotive industry in the last several decades have been developed in very good way, uh, really in good way in many ways. But except one, it is not so environmental friendly. So therefore, since a decade or something ago, that many car industries have been trying to come up with new solutions for the automotive industry, which is green mobility. And I think in coming years and the coming decades, some more car companies are coming with their own ideas for the green mobility, so that to care about the sustainability of the people's life and to reduce the pollution caused by the car industries.
That's good. So, but when we talk about your battery or sustainability, right?
Yes.
So, what are the sustainability measures which you are taking for your vehicles?
Okay. Actually, sustainability is not our marketing point for us.
Okay.
And for an example, our headquarters in Seoul, Korea, we are using all the electricity power generated from green energies.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
And green energies, we got our own system. Actually, I have my own strategy
Mhm.
to approach the green mobility is that actually as a turnkey system, I call it. Turnkey system consists of 4 major factors. One is the electric vehicle as a product, and the other one is the charging system technology, which is for charging there. And the third one is that the battery. We have our own battery, which is German technology and the German product and German brand. This is our own battery, which is unique and the only one in the world, if I dare to say. And
So basically, sorry to interrupt, just
yes,
one confirmation which I wanted to know, that the battery which you are talking about, the German technology which you are using.
yes.
So you are the only one which is like who is using that particular technology for the batteries?
No, I'm saying this only one means that a electric vehicle manufacturer
Mm-hmm.
same time has got this their own battery system. We are the only one for that. What I mean,
Oh,
yeah,
that's amazing.
yeah. And the last factor of my turnkey solutions are the KPP system,
Mm.
which is absolutely zero emission power generation technology. We are using this system for our own power sources.
So that means you are completely building a product which is eco-friendly, which is good for the nature, right?
That's
So
that's our target.
that's really good. So when we talk about the Indian market,
Yes.
so what brings you here?
As well known, the India is the one of the most potential countries
Hmm.
in many ways. Such a market size and the technology, especially IT, is very well known worldwide,
True.
and with which we can be also further developed our technology we have been developing already. And third one is the market size is also very interesting and attracting us to come over to India. But the most important thing is to be successful. You have to have the right partners in many ways. And this is what I'm saying, that I have found the right partner here in India for our green mobility business.
Definitely, and you already got that partner as well.
Yes,
So when we talk about the Indian market, so there are a lot of government compliances, and there are a lot of even the steps which our government, our Prime Minister Mr. Modi is also like taking. There are a lot of steps for the green mobility and
yeah,
green,
yeah,
environment.
yeah.
So definitely you'll be getting a lot of support from them as well, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah,
With our partners here,
yeah,
Green Genome and Mr. Sima's help, we would be able to comply with the government's
absolutely.
requirements that your government is putting. And on top of that, we also want to bring our own technology. We talk about for the green mobility, not only the powertrain or battery, but there are some other technologies required for the proper green mobility. And I think if we bring over this here to India, then surely that the Indian governments would appreciate for that as well.
Absolutely, and I'm looking forward to it. I have seen your vehicles, and it's good in design. That's good in, even your sports bike are
Yeah,
different.
yeah,
Other than what we have, the sports bike already available in the
yes,
market. So your sports bike are quite different
yeah,
from that, and that's very nice.
that's right.
So when we talk about the business, like the ease of doing business,
Yeah.
so what kind of differences which you have encountered till now from South Korea to India?
I think basically the system for the green mobility in South Korea and India is the same.
Hmm.
Only difference I think that what I'm gonna do here in India is from several different points. First is the production. While the all other car companies are doing manufacturing system in conventional way,
Hmm.
I want to introduce in here in India in different way, which is our own manufacturing strategy. We call it the cell manufacturing, whereby we the investment cost is for the production manufacturing is being heavily reduced, and whereby also many number of job places are created, and the CO2, the environment, also heavily can be reduced.
Absolutely.
This is the first point. And second point, since the climate of India is different than in Korea, we are approaching with our green mobility for different factors, such as heavy raining, or heat, or humidity. We are planning to re-engineering our green mobility to adapt, to adjust to that surrounds the conditions of India. And thirdly, the market is since the market of India is so huge and the variety, we have to plan, come up with a new marketing strategy to approach the unique Indian market for huge sizes.
Absolutely. So, what kind of expectations which you already have into your minds about Indian market from the government or from your partner, which you have already like got the partner? So, what kind of expectation which you have from them?
We do expect actually, as I have spoken with my local partner here,
Mm-hmm.
we do expect is some kind of support, but not only the financial support, but also from the strategic, support from your government, so that we can set up our green mobility system with our new technology more in more easy way and in more efficient way.
So, you're setting up your manufacturing over here.
Yes,
Oh, that
sure.
means you're like already doing the make in India kind of thing. So, definitely, government is gonna support you in every manner.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
This certainly we are planning to set up our manufacturing facility here in India. But first starting in one certain point, but we want to spread it over all over the countries in order to meet those market demands will be.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And you already have some competitors like Hyundai Motors from South Korea and India, right? So, what are your strategies to compete with them?
Actually, to tell you the fact that we are the ahead in with the developing of the green mobility
Hmm.
electric vehicle than Hyundai,
Hmm.
for an instance, because I coming from Hyundai and I know that
Oh,
they
you were in Hyundai as well?
yes I have
Okay, so
been
before
working.
starting that.
Yes,
Okay.
I have been working at the Hyundai and Kia Motors already many years ago,
Hmm.
and I have resigned from the Hyundai and Kia Motors group since 2009. And ever since, I have started to develop my own electric vehicle, green mobility technology by myself and by our own. And as while there are many people who are relying on the Chinese technology and Chinese electric vehicle components, but we have developed our own EV technology and the EV components. This is the big difference. And while the Hyundai Kia Motors have been focusing heavily on the FCV, stand for fuel cell electric vehicle, which is not the electric vehicle solely, using of the fuel cell technology, which is a bit complicated than the electric vehicle. And and I think our ELBNT, my company's green mobility technology, is ahead than other competitors. But surely we have to come up with a certain strategy that we can compete with the other competitors on the market with our using our own EV technology and the battery system, as I mentioned before, which is more efficient in terms of the performance and which is the most safe battery actually, unlikely the lithium ion batteries,
That's really
which is common at the moment on the market.
absolutely. So, one last question which I would like to ask you that what do you like or dislike about India?
Okay. I must say first that the weather here was very comfortable this time. Of course, the other time of the season is very hot.
Mhm.
This is the first thing. And second thing is that whenever I come to India, because I have been several times already in
True.
India, I feel very comfortable with the people because they are very friendly. And one specific, the positive point that I found from the Indian people, they are very open. They are very kind. They are very open to any unknown things as well.
Mhm.
This is the most thing that I like. And one other thing I have realized is that since your country, India, is a very big country with many populations, that means that you have got such a rich of varieties of the culture. And this is the one of the things that I want to reflect onto our green mobility with the development.
Because that was the touch point, like when you start felt that yes, I can
Yeah,
start my green
yeah,
mobility vision towards like for India as well.
yeah,
Right?
yeah.
That's amazing. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. It was amazing talking to you.
Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
it was great pleasure to
Thank you so
have
much.
this opportunity.